Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're having cube steak. We got this idea from Celebrating Appalachia. Tip her over there on that channel. She has a great channel, folks. Go check her out. Let's get started. That there was some chicken broth there my wife had. Pour you out some flour. Put you in some salt and pepper into it. Alrighty, just mix that up good. You've got some olive oil, or we do, over there on the stove and cast iron skillet, letting it heat up. And then just brown it on both sides. But no, we watched Celebrating Appalachia the other day, and we watched how she did it, and we tried it. It's tender. It's good. You just want it browned pretty good on each side there. You ain't got to worry about getting it cooked all the way through. We're going to be putting it in a crock pot. Or in this case, we're going to be using the Instapot, but Carolyn's got it set on as a crock pot, slow cooker. Now, just place your brown pieces there down in your crock pot, Instapot, whatever you have. And then we'll finish browning up the rest of that there. Alrighty, now what we're going to do, just scrape that goodness around there, and we're going to put in some flour. We'll be making a roux. Scrape all that together, basically a gravy. Alright, now we're going to pour in a little bit of chicken stock, about a quart. Just keep stirring that around. It'll start to thicken up there in a little bit. Alright, now just pour that over top of your meat. Now, like I said, this is the Instant Pot. Just put it on the setting for like a crock pot, slow cooker. Gonna put it on low. For 5 hours. Then we're also going to make some mashed taters. Just boil your taters like you're getting ready to mash them. This recipe here has got mayonnaise in it. Salt and pepper. We'll try these taters, folks. If we like them and everything's good, we'll fix a recipe and have them later on in another video. But mayonnaise mashed potatoes. If y'all have tried them, let us know. And there I'm toasting up some Texas toast in the oven. We're going to have that along with the meal. And here it comes. Looky there, green beans, cube steak, mashed taters, gravy, some greens, and our toast. It's good, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And you all have a blessed day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.